From Zethu trying to claim that Usifiso was her husband, Mankwanyana having to fight this evil Zethu who's a Pumegena, Shobana Ngapa having to fight Mankwanyana who is trying to get revenge for her husband. And you can tell this upcoming week is going to be a very difficult week for everyone there on Homecoming as they prepare for Sifiso's funeral, which is why I decided to create this video for you guys to share with you some of the things that you can expect from your Homecoming on Mzansiwe starting from Monday the 22nd to Friday the 26th of June 2026. So if you're interested and would like to know what to expect from the show in the upcoming week, then do stay tuned to this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. So everyone is busy preparing for Sifiso's funeral, and it looks like Ijama Ipeli because Uzethu comes back and claims ukuthi ukade unkosikazi kaSifiso. Obviously we all expected that because Uzethu akaphila kahle khanda. So Uzethu comes here claiming that uSifiso bekade kumyeni wakhe. So fighting Mankwanyana ngayo yonke lonto leyo, and we have seen on the teasers Mankwanyana slapping Uzethu because Uzethu was busy disrespecting her as unkosikazi kaSifiso. And Mankwanyana goes out there to tell us ukuthi whoever killed uSifiso is going to pay, meaning that uShobana akanankinga eyi-1 ngaMankwanyana kuphela manje, unenkinga ngaMankwanyana nenkinga Officer Dlamini. You remember that Officer Dlamini bekade funga on top of Sifiso's body that whoever killed him is going to pay, and it's obvious because we all know that Sifiso was killed by uShobana. So meaning that uShobana now has two problems: problem of Officer Dlamini, the problem ngaMankwanyana, and on top of that unenkinga ifiance yakhe uZethu that wants nothing to do with him. Maybe he's trying to mourn her ex. Hey, angiyazi mina into enje. Now apart from uSifiso, sinenkinga enja uQ. uMangcobo laphayana uneyinkinga eziningi because Shwabi's son came, and Shwabi's son's name is uQ. uQ ubusy lana phansi phezulu ufuna uMangcobo. Usho ukuthi time efika lo mfana lo uMangcobo ukwamuphatha kahle nayo yonke lonto leyo. Manje siyabona umfana ukuthi hayi man, I think uyangifuna unkosikazi kababa noma uma. So othi nami ngihlale kuyena. Waphinga shoni lana fantasizer carrying uMangcobo's underwears and all that stuff. Ngapha ubusy uthatha uMangcobo in an appropriate manner. So uMangcobo was really not comfortable with everything that is happening. And asazi noma ugcine submithile noMangcobo. And my worry is that uMangcobo angigcine emnikezile ngempela lo mfana ekhekhe. But then we don't know. All you need to do is to keep on watching Homecoming, and while you're busy watching Homecoming, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna try and update you after each and every episode. So guys, with all of that being said, comment down in the comment section about these teasers of Homecoming, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.